want to show you how you can clean up your pictures in Photoshop. Here is a comparison of the thumbnail that I used for my last video. Start off by opening any preferred picture. Make sure that the main layer is selected. Preferably you can use a tool like the Magic Wand tool to separate the picture. This way you won't be able to edit outside of the selection. Now you can start with the cleaning of the picture. Select the Clone Stamp tool. On the top left, you can change the size of the stamp. Hold Alt and left click on a clean area. Now left click normally on the area where you want to clean up. Once you have finished, click on File, Save As, and save it as a JPEG file.